Today we are going to find out if SpaceX is the investment opportunity of a generation, or the most expensive ticket to the stars you will ever regret buying. Let that question sink in. Let's break it down. SpaceX is a private aerospace and technology company founded by Elon Musk in 2002. It operates the Falcon 9, Falcon Heavy, and the next-generation Starship system. It owns Starlink, the world's largest satellite internet constellation. Think in 3 business units: launch services, Starlink, and government contracts with NASA and the DoD. It is still a private company, no public shares yet. Reusability is its edge. Now, the numbers. SpaceX annual revenue is approximately $20 billion, roughly $8 to $9 billion from Starlink, the rest from launch contracts, commercial, rideshare, and government. Against a $1.8 trillion valuation, that's about 90 times revenue. For context, Apple trades around 7 to 8 times, and even high-growth AI names rarely exceed 30 to 40 times. 90 times signals extreme expectations. The market is not valuing what SpaceX earns today. It is valuing what it might own tomorrow. That means belief in Starlink's scale and Starship-enabled industries. Let's hear the bull case. Starlink has a near monopoly on satellite internet, over 6,000 satellites and more than 3 million subscribers. It's expanding globally, rural, maritime, aviation, and developing markets. Analysts project it could be a $100 billion per year business within a decade. SpaceX controls the global launch market. Over 60% of all orbital launches in 2023. No competitor matches its reusability economics. If Starship achieves full reusability, launch costs could drop to around $10 per kilogram. That opens entirely new industries: space manufacturing, lunar logistics, even point-to-point Earth travel, and eventually, Mars colonization. The market is not valuing what SpaceX earns today. It is valuing what SpaceX might own tomorrow, entire industries that do not yet exist. Now the risks. Execution risk is enormous. Starship has had explosive test flights. Mars colonization is decades, possibly generations away. Competition is coming. Blue Origin, Rocket Lab, and Chinese state-backed firms are scaling. The launch monopoly may not last. Elon Musk concentration risk. Space Galaxy success is deeply tied to one person, with unpredictable headline risk. No IPO date confirmed. Private shares can trade at premiums with limited liquidity for years. A 90 times multiple requires near-perfect execution. Any Starlink slowdown or a major Starship failure could crater the valuation. These risks are not theoretical. They are the price of the dream. So, who should place this bet? 3 investor profiles, 3 different answers. Strong conviction investors. If you believe Starlink will dominate global internet infrastructure and Starship will democratize space, and you have a 10-plus year horizon, the case is compelling, but only at reasonable entry prices. Cautious investors. Wait for the actual IPO. Review the prospectus and assess the valuation at listing. A $1.8 trillion private valuation does not guarantee a fair IPO price. Risk-averse investors. This is not for you. The uncertainty, timeline, and multiple make it speculative. SpaceX is a mission, not just a business. Extraordinary companies do not always make extraordinary investments at any price. Do your research, know your timeline, and never let excitement replace analysis. Final thought: admire the spectacle, but invest with discipline. SpaceX is one of the most extraordinary companies ever built, but extraordinary companies do not always make extraordinary investments at any price. Do your research, know your timeline, and never let excitement replace analysis. Vote in the poll, subscribe for more deep dive finance breakdowns, and check out the next video.